Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to do something a little different because it's way too hot to barbecue. Good beer drinking weather, so we're going to crack a beer and we're going to do a knife unboxing and review. It's about 40 degrees out, so that's why we're not barbecuing. Don't worry, there's going to be plenty more barbecue content coming, so if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. So we're also very excited to announce that we're going to be teaming up with Dalstrong knives going forward. They have some absolute cracking knives. I've got a background as a butcher, so I've used so many different knives over the years, and these are up there with some of the best, if not the best I've used. You would have seen the Brisket knife, which is this one, used in our recent lamb leg video, and that just sliced through like butter. That was such a nice knife to use, and that's what we're going to go through today. Right, so when you get it, it'll come like this. There'll be a box cover. And that's the nice box you'll get it in. You see exactly what you're getting. Dalstrong logo, Shogun series. And then, got it backwards here. This is what it'll look like when you open it. A nice little pamphlet about the knife you've just bought. Nice little microfiber cloth. And we've got some maintenance and stuff. And then we've got a welcome to the Dalstrong family, and also a nice little pin to wear if you want to. And then it's got an awesome cover for the knife. So you just got to remove that pin to release it. And there is the beautiful knife. I absolutely love the look of this. Get a close up. This is a 14-inch long slicer, so I don't know, might be overkill, but I like big knives. It's going to be great for slicing brisket, ribs, anything big, carving up that Christmas ham. It's going to be good. It's going to turn some heads just because it looks so beautiful. And it is super sharp. So we'll put the knife down and we'll go through some more details on it. Alright, so a little bit about the knife. I won't go through all of them fine details. I'll put a link in the description if you want to read through all of it. But it's 67 layers of Japanese super steel. It is just so incredibly well balanced. It's got an amazing blade angle. It is just razor sharp, really good edge retention. So I just can't rave on it enough about it. It's just one of the most beautiful. It just sits in your hand really nice handle on it. It's just awesome. I really recommend looking into these. One of the best knives I've ever used. Really comfortable in the hand, super sharp, and it's going to last a lifetime with the quality that they've put into it. So now we're just talking a little bit more about Dalstrong as a whole. So there's about 350,000 chefs around the world that use Dalstrong knives, including one of the biggest names on YouTube in regards to barbecue and cooking meat, Gustavo Tosta. He is behind the Sous Vide Everything and Guga Foods channel, millions of subscribers, hundreds of millions of views on his channel. That's where I first seen the Dalstrong knives in use, and I had to try one for myself because they look so good, and now I've used them for myself. I can see what all the fuss is about. They've got 10,000 verified 5-star reviews on their Amazon account, and they also offer a 100% money back guarantee if you're not happy with your knife. So like I said, I can't recommend them enough. Look into them. If you can get hold of one, do it, because they sell out pretty quick. They've got an awesome range, so many cool knives, a lot of series as well. So you've got like the Gladiator series, the Omega series, awesome designs, lots of different colors. I'm sure you'll find one that you like. So that's pretty much end of this quick knife review. Go look at them at least and see what you think. And if you've got a favorite knife, let us know in the comments below. And that's the end of the video. So we'll see you next time. Cheers.